5 top motivation tips you can learn from the Navy SEALs. When it comes to the most motivated individuals in the world, Navy SEALs have to be right up there at the top. Just think about the intense discipline it must take to go through Hell Week. 5 days and nights of training with just 4 hours of sleep total. So what can the rest of us learn from these superhumans? Here are 5 amazing tips. Eat the whole elephant. This rather odd phrase refers to approaching challenges by breaking them down into small parts. Rather than trying to survive the whole 5 days of Hell Week, a SEAL will focus on surviving each short evolution. Likewise, if you have a large job to do, try to break it into manageable chunks. Breathe. Navy SEALs are taught to take control of their nervous system through a process called arousal control. One of the main aspects of this involves using breath work in order to calm the heart rate and focus the mind. This is a highly effective strategy and one that everyone can benefit from. Visualization. When facing a grueling challenge, a Navy SEAL will visualize what they need to do before they do it. This process can be useful for mental rehearsal as well as improving confidence and drive. The key is not to simply focus on the positive outcome, but also the actual process of getting there. Self-talk. Navy SEALs use positive self-talk in order to encourage themselves when the going gets tough. This can help them to focus on the positive aspects of what they're doing and to remember why they're doing it. At the same time, they can use this as a way to build up their confidence and feel invincible. Try reminding yourself of the preparation and training you've done and of the victories you've won in the recent past. Get accustomed to hard work. Most of us live extremely comfortable lives, and we are thus not used to forcing ourselves to do things when things get hard. You need to change this pattern. Don't train or practice under perfect circumstances. Don't plan for perfect circumstances. Plan and prepare to need to complete your goals under the worst possible circumstances. Writing a book? Then practice writing with distractions. Be ready to write on days when you're extremely tired. Try writing ill. If you can do this, then nothing will stop you, just like a Navy SEAL.